Hey guys, so today we're going to be filming a brand new video. Keep it a little bit calmer and try to just like feel the vibe because I kind of have a little bit of a headache. Well, I have a headache. I have a really bad headache right now. But I really wanted to push through this video because I got this in today and I'm really anxious to play with it already, and especially like the vibe. Like I've been seeing this online a lot. It just caught my eye. Like I'm not a fool for like palettes like this because, you know, I kind of already almost have all these colors, but I'm a collab type of person. Like if there's a collab out there, I'm probably going to buy it because I love a good collab. Like I don't know what it is with me. Now let me just say what the palette is. This is the At First Sight palette, and this is the RawBeautyKristi collab with ColourPop. And these actually on camera, they look a little bit more vibrant, but they're very earthy tones. Like these are just tones that I just, you know, I kind of want it all in one palette. Like I probably do have these shades, but not in like one palette. I'm just excited to play with this palette. If you guys want to see how this look turns out, then just keep on watching. The packaging, it has little mushrooms on there. It's really cute. I love the little aesthetic of it. I only got the palette, of course. I'm not a huge, like, I don't buy collections like that. I'm just an eyeshadow person. Eyeshadow palette type of person. I probably could have bought the liners, but didn't really think about it. I just bought the palette. This was not sent to me. I purchased this myself, just for a disclaimer, because I know the past 3 or 4 videos have been products sent to me. This was not sent to me. So I also just like a little just pop in there. I bought the Sailor Moon blush finally, and this is so cute. I didn't realize how cute this was. Go pick this up right now. Okay, you guys, so I just put a little bit of primer on. I really want to just stick with like what my shirt is, and I'm gonna be honest, this shade, what is it called? Oh, Fiddlehead. This shade Fiddlehead is kind of like the shade I really want to dip into. Just dip into this little moment here, these 6 shades right here. I feel like I'm gonna just dip into those. If you guys want to, if I don't end up using them, then obviously let me know if you want to see me use the rest of these shades. I'm gonna dip into that really pretty mustard shade right here. I'm just gonna start packing it in. Ooh, this one is very pigmented. Okay, so that is that shade. Like I said, I'm gonna mainly use this shade called Fiddle, but just to like add a little transition, I'm gonna go in with that shade Puffball, and I'm just going to like add a little bit of that right at the end, just to like add something, into that little crease area. Oh my god, I wish I had a mirror. I was trying to like, I wish I had a mirror, but it's okay. So this palette is actually super pretty. I really wanted to play with this because of the earth tones. I feel like that was very much the vibe. I'm gonna dip into that Fiddlehead green shade. It's a really pretty shade, I swear. And I'm just gonna like pack that in. I kind of want to do like a full lid maybe. I don't know. Oh, let me know, you guys, if you guys have been loving my speed through tutorials of me like just not talking and just y'all seeing me apply it. And then I tell you guys what I did before or after. Let me know in the comments because I'm trying my best to add as much information into my reviews or tutorials because I haven't done this in so long. I know you guys, I'm pretty sure you guys saw, but I did go in with like 2 or 3 dips to kind of get this part right here at the end kind of blended. It wasn't getting patchy. It was just like starting to look a little weird, but after 3 little dabs in there and a little bit of blending, it kind of worked that mustardy orange again. And I'm just going to use that to go over this little area here. I'm gonna go in with that shade. I'm actually gonna go a little bit over this. Now, I'm not really a gold shimmer type of person, but that's also very pretty. I might use that in the inner corner. This is the shade Emerald City. It's like a really pretty green. I kind of want to swatch that just to see that. And I'm going to swatch it next to Fiddle. So this is the Fiddle head. Sure, I definitely don't want to go in with Emerald because, you know, they're totally two different shades. And this is just not the vibe. It's not the vibe I'm going for. I'm gonna go in my finger and I'm just gonna like tap this in. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into that shade really quick. I'm gonna go into that shade called Let It Rain. It has a glitter, but it has like a shift to it. It's not a black shade. It's more like of a dark, dark, dark gray moment. A little bit of this, definitely packed. Probably get a new mirror. This is kind of irritating me that you guys are seeing the Morphe brand when I'm doing a ColourPop video. Okay, there you go. That black shade had a lot of fallout, so just saying if you guys are gonna be picking this up to that West Coast shimmer shade. Gonna dip into her. Let's see how pretty this is like in the inner corner right here. Okay, so I don't know what I want to do. I feel like I want to do like a really cool liner. This palette is very inspiring. Like I feel like I could do a lot. But I don't know what I want to do. Like, I mean, y'all are kind of, I don't know if y'all see that. Y'all see that on camera? It kind of looks a little patchy. I'm kind of not all there right now because I have a headache. I'm, you know, kind of feeling a little sicky, but I wanted to come on today because I've been busting these videos out every Sunday for you guys. If you guys haven't caught on, I post every Sunday now. I kind of have like a little bit of a theme going on now. And if I don't post on Sunday, then I'm posting 2 times that week after. So I'll be posting every Wednesday and Sunday. But I'm trying just 1 video a week, which is every Sunday. And if I don't catch that Sunday, then it'll be on Wednesday. So every Wednesday and Sunday. And if you guys are seeing this on a Sunday, it means I got it done today because today is Saturday. If I edit it by tonight, it'll be out tomorrow for Sunday for you guys. But if I don't, obviously y'all be seeing this on Wednesday. So hi Hump Day, how are you? Okay guys, so these are the rest of the shades that I didn't get to use, and these 2 right here, this one is Emerald City, E and W. These 2 shades they look almost the same, but you definitely could see that this one is green and this one is blue. It's called Rainier, called Old Growth, called Homegrown. This one is Amanita. So these are pretty much the shades. You can kind of see like a good, like if you wanted to, like this could be a good earthy tone rainbow. Like this is a good little earthy tone rainbow moment. That's why I wanted to pick this palette up, because I feel like it was kind of something new, even though the shades I have seen before, but like as a palette as a whole, the earthy tones really spoke through for me, and like I really enjoy like these shades. Like I really like them, and I am definitely going to be using this palette a lot more. I know I only got to play with what, maybe 6 shades today, but trust me, you know I'm going to be using this palette again. This is very pretty and this is so neutral. You can do some really pretty neutral looks with this. You can do some pops of color. First, when I first saw it, I didn't like it. But now that I have it in person and like I'm feeling it, it's on my eyes, like this is definitely that palette. Alright you guys, so that is the final look. I ended up just popping on some lashes to just say, because this is not really a review video. I mean, of course I did give my opinion on the palette, but I don't really think I need to review it too much because, you know, I feel like there's a bunch of videos that are probably already out to just do a tutorial using the palette. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see a review or a tutorial on the Lisa Frank palette. I know it's been out for I think a month now, so let me know if you guys want to see it. I recently just got it from Morphe today, so let me know if you guys want to see that, and I will get you that for you guys out soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye guys.